Hello children and welcome to St. Ursula Girls High School and Junior College Nagpur's online teaching module. I, Mrs. Ashrita, will be your facilitator for the subject Science 2. We have already started with chapter 4, that is Environmental Management, and today we are going to learn about hotspots of biodiversity. In the previous modules, we related biodiversity and we studied about biodiversity's relation with the ecosystem and the environment, and how when the environment and the ecosystem gets polluted, the biodiversity is also affected. That means due to the abiotic factors, the biotic factors also get affected. Now, in this module, that is hotspots of biodiversity, we are going to study that what are the hotspots, that means the areas where there is danger to the biodiversity, and what are the remedies that in some areas have been adopted and are actually proven to be successful. So let us start. Biodiversity, hotspots of biodiversity. 34 highly sensitive biodiversity spots are reported all over the world. Such areas had once occupied around 15.7% area of the earth. At present, 86% of the sensitive areas are already destroyed. Presently, only 2.3 areas of the earth has been left over with sensitive spots. It includes around 1,50,000 plants species, which are 50% of the world count. That means 50% of the plant species in the world are sensitive to biodiversity. As far as India is considered, out of 135 species of animal, 85 species are wild animals, that is, they are found in the jungles of the eastern region, and about 1500 endemic plant species are found in the Western Ghats. Out of the total plant species in the entire world, 50,000 are endemic. Endemic means endangered. Now this is what is actually happening in our country. The endangered heritage places of the country. Western Ghats spread over the state of Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Tamil Nadu and Kerala has been endangered due to the mining. Okay, there is a lot of mining work that is going on, due to which there is deforestation. They have to cut the forest. And what is happening? Mining industry and search of natural gas. Habitat of the Asiatic lion and the wild bison of this region has been under a threat. Manas Sanctuary of Assam is under threat due to dams and indiscriminate use of water. Tiger and rhino of the region are under threat. The Sundarban Sanctuary of West Bengal is reserved for tigers. However, the tiger population and overall local environment is seriously challenged by dams, deforestation, excessive fishing, trench digging and pollution and some other problems like that. Coming to the most important topic with exam point of view is classification of threatened species. In the previous module, you learned about different types of biodiversity, genetic biodiversity and species biodiversity, etc. Here, we are learning about the threatened species, how they are classified into 4 groups. First is the endangered species. In that, either the number of these organisms is declined or that their habitat has become smaller, has shrunken, has become smaller to such an extent that these animals that are endangered can be extinct in the near future if conservative measures are not implemented. The example for these are the lion-tailed monkey, this is the lion-tailed monkey, and the lesser florican. Okay, so endangered means their whole habitat has become so small that these animals can become extinct. Okay, next, rare species. The number of organisms is considerably declined. Like earlier, there used to be a lot of them, but now their number has become less, declined. Organisms of these species being endemic, that means in danger, may become extinct very fast. Okay, what was the first one? First one was endangered, where the habitat was shrinking. Here, the number of animals are going down, and hence, what will happen? The species can be in danger of extinction. Next, vulnerable species. The number of organisms is extremely less, already less, and continues to decline. In rare species, there was a large number, but now it is suddenly falling. In vulnerable species, the number is already small and it is still continuing to decline. That means become less and less. Continuous decline in their number is a worrisome reason. That means it is a point to be worried about. The example is tiger and lion. The last one is intermittent or indeterminate species. These organisms appear to be endangered, like they appear to be endangered. They're not endangered, but they appear to be endangered. But this is due to their behavioral habits, like shyness. They don't like to come in the open, so they will not be seen anywhere, no matter how long you wait for them or how much you search for them, because they are shy. And then apparently you don't have a definite count. The number is not defined or it is not substantial. The information is not enough. Example, giant squirrel. It is also known as a shekru or also known as a rainbow squirrel. So these 4 points, endangered, rare and vulnerable species and interdeterminate species, are very important with the exam point of view. Now, before I end the module, please remember these points. Let us remember, let us behave accordingly. Destroying a plant is to destroy everything because plants are producers. Practice afforestation, opposite of deforestation. Plant trees to conserve the environment. Forest is wealth. Environmental protection is value of education. Provident use of paper is prevention of deforestation. Give reason why. Provident means very wise, thought about use of paper. How much you litter. There you make a mistake, you nicely tear a page of paper and throw it in the dustbin. But we should never forget that behind that paper, you don't know how many trees are being cut. Paper is made out of tree pulp. Okay, so provident use of paper is prevention of deforestation. To practice the environmental protection is the development of human society. Pure air, pure water is the key to healthy life. So children, this brings us to the end of this module. I hope you had a good time studying environmental management and you learned some valuable points. Thank you for watching. Stay home, stay safe. May God bless you all.